Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw an NFL ball while we learn Spanish. Let's draw an oval. Oval in Spanish is óvalo. We draw its famous line. Line in Spanish is LÍNEA. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is FÁCIL. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the brown. That in Spanish is said MARRÓN. By the way, ball in Spanish is BALÓN. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.